Are you looking for the best ear cleaning tool with great features? I found best ear cleaning tool. Item 1. Ear cleaning endoscope 2-in-1 USB HD visual ear spoon 5.5mm mini camera. Specification. Type, visual. Ear cleaner. Color, blue. Camera diameter, 5.5mm. Light: 6 LEDs. Camera focal length, 1.4 cm to 2 cm. Viewing angle, 54 degrees. Camera length, 15 cm. Video format AVI. Support system Android 4.2 and above, Windows, Mac. Item 2. Ear cleaning endoscope 3-in-1 USB HD visual ear spoon 5.5mm. Mini camera. Specifications. Color, black. Lens, 5.5mm. Viewing angle, 70 degrees. Focus distance, 1.4 to 2 cm. Cable length, 2 meters. Video format, AVI. Support system, Android 4.2 and above, Windows, Mac. Features. Electronic micro camera. Ultra small lens with HD pixels. 6 pcs LED lamp. Suitable for daily cleaning care. Essential tool for each family. Ear cleaning endoscope. 784 orders. Average star rating, 4.8 out of 5. Buyer protection. Full refund if you don't receive your order. Just visit the description link. Get more details and buy here.
Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe me.